It's a great app that lets you transfer money to your friends and family without a fee. Usually, when I'm at a restaurant, I like paying people back using Venmo. It's safe, reliable, and best of all, instant. Yes, it's just like Zelle, but you don't need to sign into your bank and get an email or phone number to verify with the other person. Venmo is great because let's say you're selling an old lamp that you're trying to get rid of, and you don't want to accept cash or send a stranger your info. You can just have them search your account name, or you can show them your QR code, and they can scan it on their phone to search and connect with you. This also works when you use your QR code to pay in store, and you can get offers for shopping at participating businesses, which is pretty cool if you ask me. What's even more awesome is that you can also add little messages and sticker emojis when you transfer money to the other person to make it fun and less serious. And you can either keep this notification private or public on the Venmo feed. You are also able to get a Venmo debit card and get cash back to your Venmo balance. So, for example, if you were at CVS and you used your QR code there, you would be able to get $10 cash back. If you're ready to sign up, which again is completely free and secure, join me in the easy way to do money transfers. No more taking out your wallet, just use your phone. Let me know what you think. Download the app now. I've added the link in the description box for you. Also, if you like more of these videos, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and comment on the topics you'd like me to do more of. Press that notification bell to get quicker updates. Thanks for watching.